What if I told you that PayPal, the company you thought you knew, is about to become something entirely new? A company that's not just a payment process, but also a full-fledged commerce platform. I've analyzed the latest interview with CEO Alex Chris, and I'm about to reveal the shocking truth about PayPal's plans. Hey there, Tommy from FibonacciTraders.com here with Stock a Day video. Stay tuned. Find out how you can potentially profit from this massive shift in PayPal. PayPal's massive transformation, a game changer for your investment portfolio. Imagine a company that's about to undergo a massive transformation, one that could potentially reshape your investment portfolio for the better. That company is PayPal, and I'm excited to dive into the details. As someone who's been analyzing CEO Alex Chris's recent interview, I can tell you that it's not just a change, it's a full-blown evolution. PayPal's CEO Alex Chris has revealed a plan to transform the company from a simple payment processor to a fully fledged commerce platform. This shift is like watching a caterpillar turn into a butterfly, but in the fintech world, it's a massive transformation that could potentially change the way we think about online commerce. The key insights. Alex Chris's interview reveals several key insights into PayPal's plans. First, the company is focusing on velocity, streamlining internal process, and investing in technology to process transactions faster and more securely. This is crucial in the fast-paced world of fintech, where speed is everything. As Alex Chris puts it, if you're not moving quickly, if you're not innovating fast, then you're just going to get left behind. Second, PayPal is shifting its focus from payment to commerce, aiming to become a one-stop shop for all things commerce. This means that the company is no longer just a middleman in transactions, but a full-fledged commerce platform that connects merchants and consumers in an entirely new way. What is the commerce revolution? PayPal's commerce revolution involves creating a personalized commerce experience for customers, consumers. The company is leveraging its vast user base and data to help businesses reach the right customers with the right offer at the right time. This shift puts PayPal in direct competition with giants like Amazon, Shopify, and social media platforms like Facebook. What's the unique advantage? PayPal's unique advantage lies in its strong relationship with both consumers and merchants. The company is the matchmaker between the two, connecting the dots to create seamless commerce experience. As Alex Chris points out, we are the one company that can connect the dots between the two of them. What's the potential upside? Well, PayPal's potential upside transformations are massive. Faster innovation means the company can respond to market trends more quickly, potentially capturing market share before competitors. The shift to commerce also opens a new revenue stream for PayPal. Now, another bonus is, I'll give you a sneak peek into PayPal's plans for Venmo. It's a little payment brother. Alex Chris revealed some exciting plans for monetizing Venmo, including rolling out new capabilities for service-based businesses. This could be a big opportunity for PayPal, and I'll show you how you potentially profit from it. Finally, PayPal's plan for crypto and stable coins. Alex Chris sees crypto as a real tool to reshape the online transactions and are transacted, and PayPal is focusing on using crypto to enable commerce at faster speed, higher scale, and low cost. This could be a game changer for the fintech industry. So, in conclusion, PayPal's transformation in massive opportunity for investors. The company's focus on velocity, commerce, and personalizing could potentially reshape the way we think about online commerce. As in investors, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the changing market landscape. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's hit PayPal's chart. We have the weekly chart on the right, we have the daily chart on the left, and the weekly. Always zoom in and zoom out to get a better point of view of price action. And as we can see, we had a massive downtrend since April of 2022 until the bottom of October of 23, and then another bottom here just last July, 3 months ago. Since then, since the dip of July, PayPal already gained 38%. Now, from this downtrend, are we going into this uptrend, curling up? Long continuation above the 80, we will see 87 and 95. This is how PayPal looks on the daily. We have this short-term uptrend line that holds resistance for the higher highs, which is perfectly good. Resistance. Yes, there is such thing as a good resistance. Every time PayPal goes down for some kind of a pullback, it goes straight up, looking to get retesting this uptrend line. Next, above the 80-60, next we have this gap at the 85 area, and we have also this broadening formation over here. Broadening formations are the true support resistance for price action. They are the true magnitude for price action. We had some kind of a downtrend pullback on the lower board of the upturn of this broadening formation. Last Friday, we broke up above 265% to the upside. Now let's see continuation. As long as PayPal and the daily is holding above the 77.20, we are heading north on PayPal. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, educational, hit the like, subscribe, check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the next video, stay safe.